Welcome you all. In this video, we are going to see about how to do pre-processing features with the help of Weka tool. First, we have to click the Explorer window. Then, Load Dataset with the help of Open File button. Choose Dataset from our default Weka folder. Program files, Weka, Data. I am choosing weather.numeric dataset. Now the data set is loaded here. The data set contains 5 different features. Outlook, play are the nominal attribute. Temperature, then humidity and windy are the temperature and humidity are the numeric attribute. Now the first feature is remove attribute. How to remove the unwanted attribute from our data set. So for that purpose, remove option is available. The first option for removing the attribute is choose the attribute that is to be removed from the data set. Then click the remove button here. So after clicking the remove button, the particular attribute is removed from our data set. The second option for removing the attribute is just undo the operation for recovering that particular removed attribute. The second option is from the filters we can also choose the remove option. Filters, then unsupervised, then filters, unsupervised attribute. From this list we can choose the remove option. Remove, then what is the attribute to be removed? That is specified by clicking the properties window. Here we can specify the attribute which is to be removed. Attribute indices must be specified here. The attribute indices means the index number of the particular attribute. Then here I am going to remove the attribute temperature. So the indices is 2. Now click OK. Then apply button. Now the attribute temperature is removed from our data set. So using this remove option, we can remove the unwanted attributes from our data set. For demo purpose only, I am removing. So undo the operation for recovering that particular attribute. Then the second option is numeric to nominal feature. How to convert the numeric attribute into nominal attribute. In some analysis, we have to convert the numeric attributes into nominal attribute. That is categorized attribute. For example, age. Age is usually specified in numeric value, but we can convert the age attribute into various groups with the help of this numeric to nominal conversion feature. So here temperature is one of the numeric attribute. I am converting this temperature attribute into nominal attribute with the help of numeric to nominal feature. So again choose the particular option from the filters, choose from the same attribute list, select numeric to nominal. Numeric to nominal. That is available here, numeric to nominal. Now the numeric to nominal operation is here. Click the option here. It displays the properties window. Then again we have to apply the attribute which is to be converted. Here the temperature attribute is used for converting the numeric value into nominal. So the same is mentioned here. After clicking OK, apply button. For every operation, after performing every operation, we have to click the apply button so that it makes the changes in our data set. Now, the numeric attribute is changed as nominal attribute. Here, earlier the attribute is numeric, now the attribute is converted as nominal. Here the values are converted with the nominal value. 64 is available one time in our data set. 65 is available one time. 72 is available 2 times in our data set. 75 is available 2 times in our data set. We can check this with the help of the data set here by clicking the edit button. Now the data set is displayed here. Here we can check. 72 is appearing 2 times in the data set. That is specified in the previous one. So this is called the numeric to nominal operation. Then we can make undo. Okay, now our data set is again into original numeric one. The third feature we are going to perform is discretize operation. Discretize means we can convert the values into range of values from minus infinity to plus infinity. Again choose discretize from the attribute list. Discretize. Now click the button here, space bar here. Sorry, click the option here. So this is the discretize properties. We can specify the attribute which is to be converted as the discretize operation. Again, I am choosing the temperature. So the index number for the temperature is 2. Then OK. After that, press apply button. Now the temperature attribute is changed like this, minus infinity to infinity. So it converted as the range of values. For that particular ranges, number of instances are available for that particular range. That is displayed here. So this is called the discretize operation. You can undo the operation. The next one is numeric transform. Numeric transform. So using this numeric transform, we can perform some mathematical operations, or we can apply some mathematical operations in our numeric attributes in the data set. So choose numeric transform. Numeric transform. After choosing this, click here. It transforms numeric attributes using a given transformation method. By default, the transformation method is absolute value. We can use any type of mathematical operation, max, min, then floor, seal, etc. etc. These mathematical functions, the mathematical functions which is available in java.lang package is applied here. I am choosing the seal function. Seal. It is rounded up to the nearest integer. So after seal, type this, click OK. Now I am going to change this value here, 81.9, then 81.2. 81.2. After making these changes, now the value must be, by performing the numeric transform with the seal value, the 81 is converted as 82, 71 is converted as 72, because rounded up to the nearest integer. So here, OK. Now I am clicking the apply button. Now check the changes. Sorry, again choose the transform, numeric transform. Indices number. Here I am missing the indices number, that is temperature 2. Indices is 2. OK. Apply. Now check the edit option. Now see the changes. The 81.9 is changed as 82. 71.2 is changed as 72. So it is rounded up to the nearest integer. We can, with the help of this numeric transform, we can make any type of numeric mathematical functions. Okay, the last one is normalize feature. The normalize feature is used for normalizing our attribute values for performing some analysis. So in this normalize, we can specify the maximum value, initial value and the scale value. Initial value and the scale value. Choose. So before that we can choose normalize, then click here. It displays the window. We have to change two values in this window, scale and translation. Translation is the initial value to be considered for our values. So the initial value is, for example, 0. So I am considering the initial value is minus 1.0. I am going to convert this value as the maximum value is 1. So for that purpose, we have to make the changes scale value as 2.0. Initial value is minus 1, maximum value should be 1. So the maximum value can be calculated with the help of adding these two values, initial value and scale value. Minus 1.0 plus 2, the value is 1.0. Minus 1.0 plus 2, the value is 1.0. That value 1.0 is considered as the maximum value. So depending upon the maximum value, we have to set the scale value. So okay, then apply. Now see the changes. So all the numeric attributes are changed as the normalized value. The initial value is minus 1.0. The maximum value is 1.0. So remaining values are performed. Initial remaining values are assigned between these two, initial value and the final value. So for some example only I am making this value. We can change the temperature and humidity value depending upon the actual values. So this is called the normalized operation. For that normalized operation, we have to change the two values in the properties window. Translation, which is called the initial value. Scale is the value to be, scale is the value. So depending upon the scale value only, we can set the maximum value. So the maximum value calculated by adding these two values. So these are the some of the pre-processing work that can be done in the data set with the help of Weka tool. Thank you.